Today I'll share with you few of the do's and don'ts of when you do a startup. So the first thing that I learned when I started with my business was that you do have to dream big but start small. Always start small. This was the mistake that many founders and many startup owners do when they start with their business, because they have big dreams just as many of us. But in that big dream, what they forget is that they have to start low. Even I made this mistake when I had started my business, and what I did was I wanted to make, as I was very ambitious to make my luxury brand. I went ahead and directly tried to get manufacturing done for around 1000 pieces per SKUs, and I ended up with being a very big mess created, and nothing was done out of all that mess. So the main point here is, do not start very big, start small, start with some niche products, start very low, and then eventually when you build up sales, you can scale those products to a much better market categories, and differentiate your products depending on all the other situations in the market. But as of now, this was the first don'ts that you should keep in mind when starting a startup. The second thing that I want to highlight is research properly. Whether it is FMGC, whether it is D2C, let it be anything, be it jewelry, be it pharmaceuticals, man, anything. But just know your products well, because when you go for these manufacturings done, the manufacturers, or if you are doing the third party manufacturing, the manufacturers are waiting for clients, and they just want to make their profits, obviously, when they are sitting there to do businesses, right? So get your research done well. Know from where you can get the products manufactured on the best cost possible and on the lowest MOQ, because we have to start small, but also we don't want to get scammed in these mess. The next thing I want to talk about is do's. So the do's is that you should probably, the first thing obviously is dream big, but other than that, you should stay consistent. If you have started something, finish it. If you start something, take it to the end. Don't leave it in between. Don't think that now I've started it, cannot be done, or I cannot proceed with this. If you start, you end it. Even though it does not mean like you quit, it means you take it to the